Hi guys, my name is Nick and today I will show you how to delete your CoupleJoy account. Let's get started. All you need to do is just open up CoupleJoy, and now at the very bottom you can find 5 tabs. So we need to go to the last one, your profile. Okay, and now at the top right you can find the gear icon. So you need just click on it and you'll find this list with a lot of features. Here you need to scroll down to the very bottom, and now at the very bottom of your screen you can find this button, delete account. So let's just click on it. We're sorry to see you go. You are deleted all your data, progress, and relationship history within CoupleJoy. If you are paired with your partner, you will be unpaired. If you have a premium subscription, you'll still need to delete it from your Apple or Google ID. Be careful with this point, so read it carefully. And deleting your account is irreversible. You won't be able to restore it even if you use the same credentials. So you need to agree it. Just click on this button and click on delete my account. Let's do it. And that's all. Now your account is deleted. It was a short video about deleting your CoupleJoy account. Hope it was really helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.